Keep your leather furniture looking its best with a few tips from the experts at Havertys. Spills and messes will happen. The best part about leather is its resiliency to everyday mishaps.
Simply vacuum up crumbs and other debris on the cushion surface with a soft brush attachment.
To prevent dust settling into the leather, clean periodically with a soft, dry cloth. You also want to avoid exposure to moisture, so take care of spills or condensation immediately with a clean cloth. Remember to blot, not wipe, and use coasters when possible. Regular fluffing will extend the life of your cushions. Does your piece have loose or semi-attached cushions? Search for a zipper at each cushion's base for easier fluffing. Once unzipped, reach inside, press down, and reshape the cushion contents and distribute it evenly throughout the casing. You can do this with back and seat cushions to ensure your entire body is supported when sitting on your chair or sofa. Zip it up, place it back, and check that the seams are straight. If your cushions are attached, simply fluff and reshape the contents from the outside. Smooth out the leather for a sharp, tidy look. At Havertys, we craft each piece of furniture to become a long-lasting part of your home. With these tips, your leather furniture will stand up to everyday use and look beautiful for years to come. To learn more, check out our furniture care guide at havertys.com.